It's Faz and Zach back in with another video, and today I'm going to be shooting my bow and arrow. Can't really see it, I'm sitting there. And my mom is going to be videoing it, and my brother's going to be collecting the arrows, or maybe not. So let's get into that, and this. Right, so guys, here we are, and I've got my bow. And that's why you don't play the arrow. Right, so guys, sorry about that. It wasn't even on right. That wasn't a very good one. Right, Jackson, give me your arrow.
Right, Jackson, give your brother the arrow.
Thank you.
Right, stand back, Jackson, over here.
Now put it in. There. Now the seagull's trying to get them. There, the seagulls. People walking past.
Right, I'll pause. Go.
Right, so guys, here we are, people walking past there. The only reason I'm not shooting into trees is because yesterday I was shooting into trees and I just kept on hitting off of them and then just bouncing away. So, Jackson's not really doing a good job. Right, so guys, now I'll just back way the arrows.
What type of arrow are you using, Farrell? What type of bow?
A blunt arrow,
Little banshee. Go.
Right, so guys, this is the last time.
Found a rock!
Well, I can't do more, but
Found
Mum
a
goes
rock!
on the go.
Mum, I found a rock!
And I think that's the fullest I've got today. Let's see the camera. Right, so guys, you can't really see it now, but I'm running up to see the arrows down here. Went right into the ground. And then the other one up here. So it's actually quite hard to see them when they're coming and they're going through. But sorry about my finger. But it's really fun. And as I was walking back, going on a walk with my wee brother who's actually breaking something right now. Right, I'll be back. Right, look at that beautiful view. I have to be careful I don't drop my phone. My brother shaking at the water. Nice stones. Nice trees. And this isn't the last day. I'm still going to be seeing some more waterfalls. So we'll see you later in the video. Guys, look at this. This is nature. Beautiful nature and a few colours in it. Nature. Nice waterfalls. Nice trees. And yeah, see ya. Guys, look at all of that. We've been away down there behind that. A lot of places up there. We're actually in Archery now. And there's a big waterfall and there's another car park up there and I'm taking another picture. And it's really cool. The sun is light, the grass is green, the trees are falling down into the river. This could be vlog 2. Alright. This could be vlog 2. Archery and waterfalls. Jackson, get off of me. Look, Jackson, look, there's Jackson. Right. I'm just going to walk on more. Right, one second. This is just wee mini clips. Nice covers from Jackson. Hopefully you are. Do you want down?
Down. Hey, friends.
He's got bud on him. Guys, here we are at the bridge. Mom's gonna get me a picture. I'll get a picture of me. Jackson! Come on! Look at that view. That perfect, complete forest view. And over here. I'm really scared in case I drop my phone.
Jackson, over here.
Right, so guys, my wee brother Jackson now just walked off the edge down there. And it's very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I don't even know how long this is going to be. You found a nut? That's an acorn.
I found an acorn. I found an acorn, Mama.
Jackson, can you see I found an acorn? Camera.
I say I found an acorn.
Right. I'm just going to walk until I see some more things. Sun's on my face. I've been walking for about half an hour now, like not stopping or anything. So I found a tree stump that I'm sitting on. My brother's sitting on it too. Jackson. Jeez. Taking a picture of me videoing. That should be a new thing. It smells like garlic down here. I don't know why, but it smells like garlic. Look at that beautiful view down there. Oh, nice view. Flying at that view. Literally, I'm sitting up in this path where it's got like mud and sun. And that's a branch that has a big sharp part on it. And that's leaves. That's a stick. And that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'm only kidding, but I should do that at the end, yeah. I've still got like 40 minutes to go. 10 seconds left to go. Bye. I'm only kidding, it's not actually the end of the video. Oh my god, guys, this is a moment of happiness. I found a bench. A bench. Garlic's nipping my eyes. And I'm happy I found a bench. So it's like cryingness because of the nipping of my eyes. And it's got blood poo on it, my god. Alright, I don't care. I'm sitting on a patch with no blood poo. Guys, here we are having a nice selfie. Hey, this is actually a camera, but I'll take a selfie anyway. Ta-da! Yeah, take another one. Ta-da! Jackson's sitting on his wee rock bed. Right. Guys, that's me going down. Wait, is that on so much? No. But that's me going down on the rocks with a lot of sea and water. Well, not really sea, but water below me. Down there, which I'll show you in a second. There it is. And now I'm coming over here, so, oh crap, that just moved down there. Huh. Now I'm getting a picture took, so, right, so guys, this is going to be us walking back. That's beautiful view and Jackson walking past. And, yeah. So, this is now walking back for about 10 minutes. And we only got to the bench, we never went any further. Exactly, there's sun shining for a second. There's people down there, but also the sun down there looks quite nice. Can't really see it. And I'd actually want to make like a video with me like shooting, and I'll make it in slow motion So I'll do that then when we get back. Guys, the most cutest wee thing just happened to me. My wee brother, well, my mum called out, "Oh look, there's bluebells." And Jackson's clearly hurt his finger.
Mommy, I've got something in my finger.
Oh,
And then,
that's it.
so Jackson ran up to the bluebells, and because they've got Bell in the name, he started shaking them about, and then after it said, "They don't work." And now he's got a sore foot, well, finger. So guys, we've just shortened our paths by like 10 minutes. So that's good. We found like a wee gate hang. That's good. Right, so guys, Jackson's now hurt his finger. I'm carrying a bow and arrows in a bag. Jackson's getting carried by my mum. We're at the main road just outside Mones, and the shortcut led us to a field with hundreds of mole holes in it. And then I stood on about 800 jagged nettles because I had to clear the path. And then I had to climb over fences and everything, like 3 of them. And that's us here now. Mones is right in front of us. People down there. Mones is on it. So guys, we ain't going to be doing slow motion arrow shooting because people like Jackson's got a sore finger and everything. And Mum needs to go home and tidy up and everything. And also, everyone's feet are sore, except for mine. I'm perfectly fine, even though I was going through, well, at least 100 jagged nettles and climbing over fences, like ones with barbed wire. And one thing that Jackson done was climb under one of the fences that were missing a bit of wood, and he had got stuck. Like, he went undone and he was stuck, so he didn't want to go back through. So we had to pull him over the barbed wire. So it was quite bad. With all of these pure mini clips, I'm going to put this together and it's going to be like at least 20 minutes. Right, so that's us done, like that's us inside. I'm just nailing it at a windowsill outside my door, waiting for my mum and Jackson to come up with a key. Right, I'm not going to do that because the sun's going mad. So I'm probably going to just show you my room and then that'll be the end. Still waiting. Right, so guys, here it is. A nice bathroom. A nice bedroom with lights and Jackson. Yeah, it comes with a free Jackson as well. And iron board and one Pepsi. I actually have some Pepsi instead. Jackson's potty. Coke. iPad charger. Have you got an emergency? Jackson has picked up the phone. Hey look, there's me. How you doing?
You want a water?
No, I don't have Pepsi. And then here's my room. My nice living room. Where Jackson has been cuddling now. Right, so guys, that's the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.